guys, it's Celia, and today's video is in partnership with TreLuxe. I'm super excited to show you this review and demo of these products because they are amazing and my results were great. So if you want to get the scoop on TreLuxe and these products, definitely stay tuned. So I started with the Curl Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse, and all of TreLuxe's products are Curly Girl approved, you guys, so no silicones, sulfates, mineral oils, waxes, drying alcohols, or artificial colors. So you see me just taking some pumps of the shampoo, which smells really good. It has this nice like clean scent, also a nice lightweight consistency, kind of slippery, and just as you guys can see, it instantly starts to lather and suds up. So some of the key ingredients are coconut milk, slippery elm extract, but all of the products are made with active botanicals that are meant to help strengthen the hair. So you see me just working the shampoo, or not shampoo, this cleansing rinse into my hair, and this definitely gently cleansed my hair, but also helped with detangling, as I will show you guys in the next clip. And also it was moisturizing as it says, so it's gonna clean your hair, not strip away any moisture, help with detangling, and it smells amazing, you guys. So this was a really good product and I definitely would reach for it over and over. And as you guys can see, my hair was left nice, clean, soft, and manageable. Next, I used the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner, and I really love the fact that this brand, TreLuxe, they have a simple hair care system. So cleanse, condition, and style. Y'all know I like simple, so I'm just taking some of the Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner. It's lightweight, but it's nice, creamy, and you guys, this smells literally like cinnamon spice. It smells so good. So you see me just putting it onto my hair, working it on in. This product is meant to detangle, nourish, and of course replenish moisture for your curls. And some of the key ingredients are coconut milk, slippery elm, but also broccoli seed oil. So I was a little worried about not, deep conditioning my hair, but you guys, this product is amazing. So I'm just working it on in. Of course, I'm going to use my fingers to detangle, which as you guys can see is super easy to do. The slippery elm just really helps like my fingers to glide on through. Now if you have like fine hair, you do want to start with a smaller amount, just so that you're not having too much product and it weighs down your curls or anything like that. And also I forgot to mention before I started applying this, but make sure you're applying it on soaking wet hair, you guys. The reason you want to work on soaking wet hair is because it helps to improve curl definition, and it also helps to open your hair cuticles. So I am just going to put this plastic cap on my hair just so that my hair is not dripping all over the place while I get out of the shower. This is, like I said, a leave-in conditioner, so I'm not going to rinse it out. I'm just going to leave it on in. And yeah, I'm going to get out the shower and then we'll go on to the styling. Alright, so I am out the shower now, and TreLuxe does have a few different stylers that you can choose from. So they have the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. They also have a High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. And between these two, I personally decided to use the 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. I'm a cream girl at heart, so of course I had to use it. And then I also will follow up with the Reflex Curl Styling Serum. So now I'm just taking my plastic cap off of my hair, and you guys, my hair was literally so silky soft. My curls were popping, so that leave-in conditioner I definitely recommend. It's amazing. So for y'all who love your your leave-in conditioners, definitely got to get your hands on the product. So I've already parted off my hair, and now I'm going to use the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream that is supposed to hydrate, strengthen, protect, and style. It has a nice, light, pretty scent, and it's also a light consistency. But y'all, this stuff is literally so moisturizing as well. So I didn't have to mist down my hair with any water since it was still very, very wet after putting in that leave-in conditioner. So just remember to be adding these products on wet hair. But y'all, this stuff is so moisturizing. Look at the curls. So the product is made with different oils like apricot oil, coconut oil, and butters like shea butter for dry, coarse hair to help soften and moisturize it. So if that is you, definitely got to get your hands on this, because just look at it. So now I'm using the Reflex Curl Styling Serum, which smells so good, like flowers, at least to me. It's nice, lightweight, and this is supposed to help add shine, create bouncy, silky curls, and also help smooth and eliminate frizz. So I worked that in. You only need a little bit. You don't need a ton of this product, but just look at the curls. They're soft, they're shiny, they're moisturized, they're defined. So now that I have applied all these super amazing moisturizing products, I'm going to just take a section from my row of hair, and then I'm going to begin braiding, because like I said, I will be doing a braid out. So yeah, I'm just going to take 3 strands, braid them on down, making sure to coil the ends so that it stays in place, and that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to just fast forward through this process. Now, like I've mentioned in this video, these products are nice and lightweight. Now, with the hydrating cream, if you want like a tighter hold, you would want to use more of the product, and if you want like a lighter hold, you would use less of the product. And then with the styling serum, like I said, you don't need too much, because too much of it could make your hair hard. So look at that bounce back. I'm going to continue letting you guys watch this process, and then I'll show you what my hair looks like completely braided. So this is my hair completely braided up, you guys. Looks so good, smells so good, so soft, so shiny. So I'll do a 360 for you, then I'll let my hair dry overnight. This was my first braid out on my hair since it's been short, since it's been big chopped. So I was really excited to see my results. So this is the next day, you guys, and I am just going to begin unraveling the braids, making sure to be as gentle as I can so that I don't disturb the curl pattern at all, and starting from the bottom. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you what the definition is looking like. It was so good, you guys, but of course gotta go in and separate. Now before I start to separate, I wanted to show you these cute headbands that come in a set of 2 that you can get from TreLuxe. They're 100% genuine leather, made in the US, and they're long lasting. So I will be using this one right here for my style. So I will show you what it looks like when I do that. But now we're gonna separate these curls. So I'm just going and taking each piece of hair and then just separating it into smaller pieces. And I did use a generous amount of the hydrating cream, so like I said, if you use more you will get a nice tighter hold, which I did get. And as I was separating, that tight hold stayed, so the definition was definitely on point. So this is my hair completely separated, you guys. The definition looks so good. I was really loving how this braid out was looking. Now before I begin to like fluff and jazz up my hair, get it shaped the way I want, I am, like I said, putting this headband on, and I thought the color was super cute, and I really loved how the headband, it's like has the stretchy material in the back, so it wasn't too tight on my head at all. So I'm just going to slide that on up, and then I will fluff my hair to my liking, and you guys will see the finished look. So this is the final look, you guys, and I loved this braid out. It was defined, it was super moisturized, it smelled amazing, great shine. So I don't know if I can pick a favorite from these products. I truly loved them all, even the styling serum, which I was a little skeptical about, but it wasn't like oily or greasy or anything like that. So if you want to save some money on this collection, go to discovertreluxe.com and use my discount code Hazel15 to save 15% off, you guys. I highly recommend these products. Love my results. So use my discount code. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.